In cooking, a mirepoix consists of diced vegetables that form the flavor foundation for a wide variety of recipes. Things like soups, sauces, and stews. And here in the US, a mirepoix generally consists of carrots, onions, and celery. And different versions exist all over the world, from Germany to Italy to Asia. But my personal favorite has to be from Cajun cooking, where their mirepoix is made from onions, celery, and bell peppers. And they call it the Holy Trinity. Estate planning has its own Holy Trinity, and they are a will, a trust, and a power of attorney. And just like in cooking, these elements can be used to execute a wide range of recipes or estate planning goals. A will allows a person to specify the distribution of their estate after their death, and a common element of a will is assigning a guardian for young children. So wills help you plan for what happens after you die, but what about while we're still alive? Well, that's where trusts come in. And there are three roles to most trusts. The people that fund the trust, and they're referred to as settlers or grantors. The people that manage the trust, and they're the trustees. And the people that benefit from the trust, and they're the beneficiaries. Lastly, powers of attorney are generally used to grant authority to someone else to make healthcare or financial decisions in the event of illness or disability. So wills, trusts, and powers of attorney, they grant a wide range of powers. So it's important to carefully consider who serves in those roles for you. A well-executed mirepoix forms the foundation for a variety of successful recipes. And a successful financial plan can include its own Holy Trinity.